Hi, I'm Mark Geyer, and I'd like to spend a moment talking to you a little bit about NASA's Unity campaign. The Unity campaign was rolled out earlier this year by Steve Shee, the Associate Administrator for Equal Opportunity and Diversity at NASA headquarters. The Unity campaign really centers on the importance of the uniqueness, appreciating the uniqueness of every individual, and valuing a diverse workforce that contributes to our unified mission. So there are many great examples in the history of NASA of us working with other cultures and how it improved NASA and our combined teams. So I remember when we started working on the International Space Station with our Russian partners. Very different cultures, both have great experience and a great history, but sometimes our different behaviors would frustrate one another. And yet what we did was we learned how to adapt and then work together to accomplish this incredible feat of building the International Space Station. NASA and SpaceX, who we're about to jointly launch Demo 2 later this week, also bring their unique cultures to that mission. And these cultural differences contribute to a diversity of thought, which is really an essential element to safe human spaceflight. So working through different cultures can take more time, but the benefits are huge. Our job is to fly missions safely, but it's also our job to build the teams that will enable success. And building strong, diverse teams takes intention. It takes effort. We often find it easier to work with folks that look like us and speak like us and behave like us. But again, the benefits are huge for creating diverse teams. So the Unity campaign complements JSC's Dare Unite Explore vision, and it builds upon our expected behaviors such as being open, mindful, and respectful. Of course, over the next year, we have many major milestones to meet, and we need to have our unified team in order to achieve our mission. As you know, throughout the past couple of months, our nation has faced an unprecedented crisis with the coronavirus epidemic. Many of us are working from home. That's why I'm filming this in my kitchen. The passion and connection know that every one of you is shown in helping each other get through these challenging times and still focus on our mission objectives is another great example of unity. So we are a team that accomplishes the seemingly impossible, and doing so inspires the world. So please take care of yourself, and each other, and thank you for everything you do to make NASA and JSC successful.